Soon as I stop worrying.
Recently changed my little everyday routine, so I'm starting off with some setting spray as like my primer. And because I literally have to go to work in a few minutes, we're just gonna push that in. Alrighty, I'm going in with some bronzer drops, and this is from Giorgio Armani, the Luminous Silk drops. And this is literally how fast I move when I'm doing this, because it is super simple, like super simple, but yet it just enhances. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like these drops because I just felt like the shade range is trash. Let's just be honest. It's only 3 and this is the darkest shade. But when I put it on my bare skin, it gives me just enough. Just literally just enough. I don't really put a lot up here because of how my hair lays. Then after that, I go in my concealer. I'm going in with my NARS concealer. I had the shade, what was it? Amon and Caramel. Since it's like an everyday thing, don't go overboard with the concealer. So you'll see what I mean. Like, I know you feel like I can barely see anything, but again, this is like a everyday look, okay? Now this shade I can use like if I have like a little spot to try to do a little spot concealing, and then I'll just keep it going. Again, this is for just enhancement purposes. This is not like a glam. Huh? So I'm going ahead and opening up my setting powder, which is the Huda Beauty. I can't even talk this morning. Huda Beauty Blondie. So I like to go in with powder as soon as I finish concealing. Hey, Miss London. I don't know if y'all can see her or not. And look at the rest of the Scooby Gang. Alrighty. Look, this doesn't have to be perfect, okay? So I'm going in with the same brush that I used to blend out the concealer, and I'm just going like this. We're not doing a heavy set. No, London. Okay. And yes, this is what the mornings is like. My dog's going up and downstairs because London has learned how to open up the door. Get a poodle, they said. They're so smart. Indeed they are. Alright, so next I'm just going in with some finishing powder because I do have oily skin, and it's by Makeup Forever, the Professional. It's the Ultra HD transparent powder. And I'm just setting everything else. I know what you're thinking, but you didn't blend out. Honey, it's thin. As soon as I go like this, it's over. It's blended. This is quick and easy. Like, this is just to get you right on out the door, okay? After that, I spray my setting spray. Out the door. We're getting out of the door, okay? Now, I do like to use concealer. You can skip this and it's over for you. But for me, not concealer, mascara. I like to use mascara. I don't go as heavy as if I was like going out. But I do not like looking like a naked mole rat, okay? So, here. Boom. So I will say this, my eyebrows are microbladed, but if your eyebrows are not microbladed and we want to include that, just get like a brow gel that has a tint to it and just go over your brows with the brow gel. I want it a little bit too hard up there. And that's it. Sorry, I accidentally applied a little, it was a little clumped up. But that's it, y'all. Like, if I wasn't filming this, it would literally take me like 3 minutes. We've enhanced, we look a little put together, and now we can get up out the door. All right, bye.